Hello students, today we study how to find out the distance between two given points with the help of number line, that is coordinates of points and distance. For this, first we draw a number line. Here all coordinates are not given, so first we complete to write the coordinates. This is 1, coordinate of P is 2, Q is 4, D lies on the left hand side, therefore D is equal to -1. Coordinate of B is -3 and point A coordinate is -5. How to calculate the distance between two given points? First, consider their coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger. Means first we compare the coordinates of 2 points, then subtract the smaller from larger coordinate. We take two examples. First, coordinate of point S. Point S, what is the coordinate of point S? 6. Second, coordinate of point B. Point B, -3. Comparing these two coordinates, 6 is greater than -3. All positive numbers are always greater than all negative numbers. Therefore, distance between point S and B is equal to 6 minus -3. Here we use the bracket because two signs we do not write together. For separation, we use bracket. Is equal to 6 minus minus become plus, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The distance between point S and B is equal to same as the length SB is equal to 9. We take another example. Coordinate of point P, 2. Coordinate of point R is equal to 5. Compare these two coordinates, 2 and 5. 2 is smaller than 5. Therefore, distance between point P and R is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between point P and R is equal to length PR is equal to 3. Students, you solve the examples from practice set 1.1 question number 1. Remember this. The distance between any two points is always a positive number if the two points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Now we solve practice set 1.1 question number 2. If the coordinate of A is X and that of B is Y, find distance between point A and B. Here in first example, X is 1, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 7. Now compare these coordinates. Answer. First comparing, 1 is smaller than 7 or 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between point A and B is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now second example. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. Here compare between 6 and minus 2. Answer is 6 is greater than minus 2. All positive numbers are always greater than all negative numbers. Therefore, distance between point A and B is equal to 6 minus 2. Here two signs are there, minus minus. For separation, we draw bracket. 6 minus minus becomes plus 2. Distance between point A and B is equal to 8. Third example, x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. Here both the coordinates are negative. Now how to compare these two? Here I draw a number line. This is a 0. On right hand side, all numbers are positive and they are greater than 0. And on the left hand side, there are negative numbers and they are smaller than 0. When we move left side, the number is smaller. This is minus 1. Minus 1 is smaller than 0. Minus 2 lies on the left hand side of the minus 1. Therefore, minus 2 is smaller than minus 1. Similarly, minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Minus 4. Here we write minus 4. And this is minus 5. Minus 5 is on the left hand side of the minus 4. Therefore, minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5 and minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. Therefore, distance between point A and B is equal to minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 4 minus minus becomes plus 5. Here one is positive number, one is positive and one is negative. Therefore, here we subtract 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. But here 5 has a positive sign or a plus sign. Therefore, answer is plus 1. You remember the distance is always a positive number. If your answer comes negative or a minus, then something is wrong in solving the example. Students, you complete question number 2. Have a nice day. We stop here only.